Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. If you're tired of guessing what videos will blow up, me too. So today I'm showing you a Chrome extension that actually helps with that. It is called the GR YouTube Trend Hunter, and it basically finds trending content for you so you don't have to stalk YouTube for hours like a detective with no sleep. So go to the Chrome web store and search GR YouTube Trend Hunter. Select this one. And basically, this extension analyzes your view count, subscriber count, upload date, growth speed, video duration, and live stream status. This extension is basically for YouTube creators, content strategists, marketers, researchers, etc. And its key features is that detection on YouTube pages, channel subscriber comparison, trend score calculation. It is lightweight and fast, and there is no external tracking. You're just going to add to Chrome and then select Add Extension. Then I'm going to go to YouTube and I'll be showing you guys how it works. So as you can see, this is what your YouTube page is going to look like. So here, the fire symbol is the trend score. When it is uploaded, you'll also see that, and how many subscribers the channel has, you'll also see that here. On a certain topic that's trending. So I am going to search up Heartopia in the search bar. And I am going to click a video. Let's do Heartopia tutorial actually. And I'm just going to click on this video. Then I'm just going to press on the extension and I'm going to press this button. Here it's going to show me, I think, the videos on my homepage. It says video, channel type, duration, views, subs, date, and the trend score. But what if I want to make a video on a certain topic? So I will have to search by title or channel. So for instance, I'm just going to type in Heartopia tutorial. There's nothing yet, so let's just start with Heartopia. So as you can see, this is the trend score. So it's at 4.5. That is the highest trend score of this topic. It has 159,000 views, even though that person has only 1,000 subs. So maybe I would want to make a video similar to this. You can also view this one. This one is mostly builds that are trending right now. But yeah, that is it. I think this is super useful if you want to get an idea of what videos are trending on YouTube. If you want to try it out, I'll leave the download link in the description box down below. Just install it on Google Chrome, open YouTube, and you're good to go. No complicated setup, no tech headache. Click the link, download it, and start finding better video ideas today. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.